Hi guys, so welcome to my new video. Today I want to show you a new Barbie style doll. Yeah, I know this line has been out for quite a while, and this doll especially is from 2021, so it's quite old. Maybe it's also like vintage for some collectors. This is this doll, and yeah, she is so pretty. I really like this outfit. I really like the skirt, the jacket. It's like perfect. Also, don't fall is like this pair of shoes, which are like inspired by these Balenciaga sock shoes whatsoever, but they were quite a thing in 2021. So this is the packaging, and now let's open it up. Here you can see also like pretty pictures on the side. So it's like a picture with this outfit. But the shoes are like different. Here she's wearing the high heels, but here are the Balenciaga shoes. And here's a picture of the whole group. And I think she might be the last one in the line. I think this was the first one. Then came this one and then that, I think. Yeah. So this is the doll, and yeah, let's have a closer look. It also came with this thing here, and yeah, it's like very thick plastic. It doesn't have to be like that thick, but yeah, that's what you have to deal with. This is the doll's packaging, the doll's outfit. She has this very pretty like Schlipper in German. No, it's a slip and a pretty shirt. This shirt is like a pure basic. I love it. I really love this basic stuff. Yeah, and now I will unbox her for a closer look. So here we have the doll. She is so pretty. Yeah, I'm speechless. She is like rocking that Ariana Grande hairstyle with this half up, half down situation. She even have like hair wrapped around her. What is it called? Rubber band, hair tie. Yeah. Unfortunately, she has like, yeah, severe hair, no, box, out of the box hair. I don't know. It's like totally flat and curly. She just needs to go to wash and rinse and so on, and then her hair will turn out great, I think. But for now, I have to deal with that. For her body, she is having a made-to-move body, the original one. Yeah, the original one. That's right. She came with painted fingernails and like two toenails, yeah, painted toenails. For her outfit, she is like wearing this dark gray shirt, dark gray brief slip. No, brief. Is it brief? Underpants, undergarments, I don't know. Yeah. For the first outfit, I'm putting on like that because it's like easier for now, because I don't have to remove the whole first outfit. So this has like this now the Velcro, it has like the better option, I would say. The skirt, very good quality. It's very silky, very soft, very flowy. Love it. It could have been way longer for me, because I love long skirts, because you really don't get that very often with Barbie dolls nowadays. So, and she's having these, like, what is it called? Is it a college jacket? I would say it's a college jacket, definitely. But with leather. It's very cute. It's very 2021-ish, I would say. Yeah, so this is still a look for it. For accessories, we have like this cute pair of heels. I really love it. It's very pretty. I don't know how they are like supposed to look. Is it like that? It kind of looks off. I know one side is not like the other. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be like that. And the other shoe is then going on here. Very pretty heels. Very cute outfit. I love it. And she came with like her cell phone, but she can't hold it, so it's useless for me now. And she came with this, I'm so speechless, with this pretty bag. It's made out of plastic, I would say. Yeah, definitely. But it has this gold chain around it. It's so cute. It's so cute. I really love this. I'm speechless. And the purse also works very well with the skirt, but you can't really get it stay on very easily on with this jacket, because it's like so leathery that it wouldn't stick. So I have to like be like, this doll must be like this so it doesn't go off, run off. I don't know. Yeah, I put it back away. So this is the outfit. I really love this. Gorgeous. Yeah, pretty AF. So now let's undress her for now, because we are putting on the second outfit. This is so great material. I'm really impressed. And even for the price, I've just paid like 60 euros, which is basically $60. This is a good price because the store was like 120 here in Germany, so I paid like half off at Amazon, but not directly on Amazon. It's more like a different seller on Amazon. Yeah, I'm very impressed. I don't know how many times I already said that I'm impressed, but I need to continue. I'm impressed. This quality is such a, yeah, such a dream. It's like giving 2000s Barbie quality, which we all want back, but we never get back anymore in the playline. So this is the second outfit. She is having this pair of jeans, which are like basically made out of real jeans. Yeah, very great quality. It even had like bags in the pockets in the back, and in the front I think they are supposed to be like bags as well. Great quality. It's kind of like used vintage look. Love it. Very great pair of jeans. I think I would like make this her signature outfit for me, because it's like so basic, so chic. Yeah, such a dream, such a dream. And also the what is it like called, blouse, I'm not sure. So good quality. You can like make a knot down here. So it's like a cropped version. I'm not really a big fan of these pair of shoes, but for now I'm putting her on because it's like supposed to be like that on the picture. No, not on the picture, on the packaging. I mean, yeah, they could work, but I don't see that with this outfit. I don't see them in general. They are, yeah, I mean, they look kind of comfy, but kind of cheap as well. So I'm dressing her in this pair because this pair is like chef's kiss for me. Yeah, pray more prettier. Barbie needs heels. Yes, girl. And here is the purse. Very cute, very small purse. And yeah, okay. Her blouse is like getting open down here. I think I need to do a double knot. But not the strong one, more like a softer one that I can open it up easily. So this is the second outfit. I think this is the best outfit. She is so gorgeous looking. I really love the heels, I really love the jean, I really love everything about her. She's giving me like rich Miami, glamorous, or even like Hollywood. Her hair is like a rat's nest for now, but I will definitely do a rinse and a deep conditioning treatment, and I think it will work out. I will definitely don't do a ball wash because I really want to keep those curls like they are, because it's pretty. Yeah, she's very my aesthetic basically for now. I love it. So I hope you liked this video. Please leave me a comment or subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.